Welcome to the easy, tool-free assembly of your Sherrill bedroom by design bed. In just a few simple steps, you'll have a beautiful, sturdy bed frame. No tools required. First, unpack all the parts and lay them out. Refer to the included parts list and drawings to ensure everything is there. Step 1. Attach side rails to the footboard. Start by attaching a side rail to the footboard. Align the two bracket pieces and insert the posts into the matching holes. Then press down to lock them in place. Repeat this step for the second side rail. Now slide the assembled side rails and footboard over to the headboard. Repeat the same attachment process, securing both rails into place. Next, insert the 5-notch slats into the matching slots on the side rails. Push each slat down until it sits flush. If a slat doesn't fit properly, simply flip it over and try again. Now, place your box spring or bunkie board on top of the slats. If you like, you can add a duvet cover over the box spring for a finished look. Finally, set your mattress in place and dress your bed with sheets, blankets, and pillows. And that's it! Your Sherrill bedroom by design bed is fully assembled and ready to enjoy. No tools, no hassle. Sweet dreams!